Good morning, everybody. Josh Diesel, Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's Tidbit is another take on open houses. Now, as agents, we all have opinions on open houses. Some people love them, some people hate them, but when it comes to, historically speaking, you can't argue with the results they provide if done properly, right? So, I think what it boils down to is doing them on a regular enough basis and having the systems in place to follow up with the leads that they provide. So, number one, my challenge to you today is commit the next 90 days, 3 months, do at least one open house a week. If I can challenge you, do 2. If I can seriously challenge you and you can take this on and keep us updated, do 3 open houses a week for the next 90 days straight. Okay? But we're gonna take it one step further. Make sure you follow up with every single lead that you get to sign in and make 12 contacts to them over the next 60 days following that open house. Okay? 1 open house a week for the next 90 days. 2 if you're up for it. 3 if you're on for this challenge. And then a 60-day follow-up guaranteeing at least 12 phone calls to every single lead. If you do it, please let me know the results. I think we are all going to be pleasantly surprised, and it'll show that with hard work, dedication, great systems, and doing what we're supposed to do, we will get the results. Keep us updated. Have an awesome week, guys. Talk to you later. It's like he waits for me to come out and do my videos. And his motorcycle sounds like a big toot. It's like one of those little bikes.